Did you know that most chickens stop laying eggs in the winter not because they are lazy, but because they are missing something small but crucial? Cold days, short light, a damp coop, and poor nutrition quickly exhaust hens. Then they spend their energy on warming their bodies, not on producing eggs. If their feet are cold, if there's not enough light, and if the food is not rich, the eggs disappear overnight. So stay with us until the end because we reveal the secret recipe that will encourage your chickens to lay eggs every day. Subscribe to our channel is completely free. So let's go to our video right away. In winter, it is especially important that the coop is dry, without drafts, that they have thick bedding, and at least a little extra light in the morning or evening. But the most important thing of all is what you give them to eat. Corn alone is not enough. Then the hens are looking for warmth, protein, and minerals. Experienced homeowners know when you make a mistake in your diet in winter, there is no spring that will quickly bring back the eggs. But when you find the right combination, hens can lay eggs like clockwork, even on the coldest days. So let's immediately discover the secret recipe that will keep your hens healthy, strong, and always laying eggs in winter. Simple, cheap, and proven in the countryside for generations. Take warm water, not hot. Add a handful of corn, a tablespoon of wheat bran, a tablespoon of minced garlic, and a little apple cider vinegar. Mix everything well and give it to the hens in the morning while it is still cold. This combination warms the body, strengthens the immune system, improves digestion, and provides the energy needed to lay eggs. If you add a pinch of eggshells or chalk to this, you will also get a solid shell on each egg. The result? Healthier hens, more energy, and regular eggs even in the middle of winter.
If your hens are not laying eggs, before you worry, try this. Many homeowners notice that hens suddenly stop laying eggs. Everything looks the same. There is food, there is water, and the nests are empty. The reason is often not illness, but fatigue, cold, or weakened immunity. Coque then conserves strength and waits for better days. But there is a small, natural trick that can help them get started again. It does not require expensive additives, there is no chemistry, and it is prepared in just a few minutes. What is particularly interesting, this potion works from the inside, slowly but noticeably. When it is added to the drinker, hens happily drink it. They become more lively, and the body receives a signal that it has enough strength and energy. And just then, without noise or announcement, the eggs start to appear again. If this happens to you at home, write in the comment, "I'll try it." Like if you like natural tips without chemicals, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what comes at the end. Sometimes the simplest solutions are also the best. Honey, garlic, and now we come to the part that everyone is waiting for. The drink is simple, but its power lies precisely in this simplicity. This recipe was used by our ancestors when chickens were healthy, resilient, and when eggs were an everyday occurrence in the nests. You don't need anything special, just natural ingredients that most people have at home. When mixed properly and added to the drinker, chickens get what they need most: energy and protection from the inside. So let's go to the natural drink for hens that don't lay eggs. Ingredients: 1 liter of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon of natural honey, half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix everything well until the honey is completely dissolved. Pour into the drinking bowl instead of plain water. How to use: give Coque 1 to 2 times a week, preferably in the morning. Don't overdo it. Less is more. After a few days, you will notice that the hens are more lively, and soon the first eggs will appear in the nests. Dear friends, send this video to your friends on social media. Thank you for that.